Hi guys, this is what I'm hoping is my last video that I'm going to be sharing with you because I should be back in class on Monday. At that point, I am happy to answer any questions. We're going to spend the whole week reviewing what you have done without me this past week. So, we're just going to continue working on unit conversion, but this time we're going to incorporate some real world applications. Here's our first example. We want to find the area of this bathroom in square inches, even though we are given dimensions in feet. There are two ways to complete this problem, and I want to show you both methods. The first option is to find the area first. So we find the area first, and then we convert. The second option is to convert and then find the area. Let's work on the first option. To find the area of this rectangle, we simply multiply the length times the width, the base times the height, and we get 960 square feet. Now, emphasis on the unit here. The unit here is squared, so when I go to convert, when I convert my square feet into square inches, instead of multiplying by 12, I have to multiply by 12 squared because I'm converting square units, and that's going to convert my area into square inches. This is going to give me 13,824 inches squared. So when we multiply by the conversion factor, we need to multiply by that conversion factor squared because we're converting square units. Now, second option is to convert the base and the height first. Now, my base is 12 feet, and to convert from feet to inches, we just multiply by 12, not 12 squared, because this time my units are not squared. So I don't need to square my conversion unit. So that's going to give me 144 inches. And then I'm going to take the height, which is 8 feet, and I'm going to convert it to inches by multiplying by 12. Again, this is regular linear units, so I just multiply by 12 because that's the conversion factor from feet to inches. No need to square anything here, and I get 96 inches. Now that my units have been converted to inches, I can find the area in square inches by simply multiplying 144 times 96, which will give me the same answer I got before, 13,824 square inches. All right, let's do a couple of examples before I let you attempt these problems on your own. So I need to buy tiles for my bathroom. The style that I chose is 6 inches by 6 inches. So it's a square tile that's 6 inches by 6 inches. How many tiles do I need to buy? Now, I already found the area of my bathroom using square inches. So what I need to do is find the area of my tile. So the area, let me write the area of the bathroom right here. The area of my bathroom is 13,824 square inches. The area of my tile, now my tile is a square that has a side length of 6 inches. So its area would be S squared, 6 squared, which is 36 square inches. Now that I have my bathroom area in square inches and my tile area in the same unit, I can find the number of tiles by dividing the area of my bathroom by the area of the tiles. And remember, because these are tiles, we always round to the nearest whole number, because Home Depot and Lowe's are not willing to sell us half of a tile. This is why for these problems we round to a whole number. Now, my local hardware store sells my tiles in boxes of 20. How many boxes do I need? Okay, to answer this problem, I take the number of tiles. So to get the number of boxes, I'm going to take the number of tiles, and I'm going to divide it by 20 because there are 20 tiles per box. 384 divided by 20 is actually 19.2. Now, just like before, these are actual boxes and I cannot buy 0.2 of a box. Now, in these cases, we're always going to round up because I will have to buy 20 boxes if I want to tile my bathroom. So for objects that I'm purchasing, we're always going to round up to the nearest whole number. Now, finally, each box costs $47.99. How much will my total cost? Well, I know I need 20 boxes. Each box costs $47.99. So the total cost will be 20 times $47.99, which is $959.80. So again, there are two methods to convert. You can find the area first and then convert. But if you do that, you have to remember to square your factor of conversion, or you can just convert and then find the area. Once you do that, you can find the number of tiles and the number of boxes required. In both cases, you have to round to a whole number. You have to round up to a whole number. And finally, to find the cost, you just multiply the cost of each box by, you multiply the number of boxes by the cost of each box. All right, go on and try some examples on your own.